Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to fix Cash App not letting you to change your name in 2024. So this is not like difficult to fix it, like it's possible to fix that problem. And for people who want to know why this is happening to them, like sometimes Cash App feel that there are some scammers, so they need to like hold all the accounts, so you can't change your name, for example. So among these things is not changing your names. So here what you need to do is to contact the custom support and talk to them, so you can tell them or prove to them that you are legit, and then they're gonna see you and they're gonna make sure from your documents so they can help you fix that problem. So between the documents that they may need, which is front and back images of your ID, selfie holding ID, and name change document. Okay, so take these documents and send them to them in the custom support message, because these documents will help you or will help them to recognize you that you are real. Okay, so that's it guys. It's not something difficult or impossible to fix that problem. Just by following the steps that I told you right now and by contacting the support with these documents, you're going to be able to fix that problem in your account, and you're going to be able to change your name on Cash App. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.